Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly, while others struggle? The answer lies in the power of discipline. Discipline is the key that unlocks your potential and allows you to master your mind. Discipline is not about punishment or restriction, it's about forging a path towards your goals. It's the commitment to consistently do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the bridge between your dreams and reality. Mastering your mind starts with small daily actions. Waking up early, exercising, reading, and cultivating positive habits may seem trivial, but they build the foundation of discipline. Each small step strengthens your mental muscles and propels you towards success. Discipline allows you to overcome obstacles and challenges. It gives you the resilience to persist in the face of setbacks. It fuels your determination and grit, enabling you to push through the hardest moments. But discipline is not enough on its own. It must be harnessed with vision and purpose. Define your goals, visualize your desired outcome, and create a plan of action. Discipline, fueled by purpose, becomes unstoppable. Success is not reserved for the chosen few. It can be attained by anyone who embraces discipline. It's a choice you make every day to prioritize what truly matters. Only through discipline can you break free from the limits of your mind and unlock your hidden potential. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck, if you're ready to unleash the power of discipline and take control of your life, start today. Embrace discipline, commit to the small daily actions, and watch as you transform into the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more motivational content that will help you master your mind and achieve greatness.